In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. A sales receipt is perfect when you receive payment at the same time you provide a product or service. Think in-person sales, card payments, or immediate bank transfers. I'll walk you through each field so your receipt is clean, accurate, and ready for your books. Start on your QuickBooks Online homepage and hover over the Create button to open the transaction menu. From there, select Sales Receipt. This opens the sales receipt form where we'll enter all the details. Begin by choosing the customer. Pick the correct customer from the list so their contact info and term fill in automatically. Next, add an email address. This is where the receipt will be sent, so make sure it's current and spelled correctly. You can add your own address if you want a copy for your records. Now, look at the sales receipt number. QuickBooks usually assigns these in sequence, but you can edit it to match your internal numbering system. Just be consistent so reporting stays clean. Add the billing address if it isn't already filled in. This helps with professional documentation and can be useful for your customers' records. You'll see an option to either record payment or charge a new payment. Choose record payment if you've already collected cash, a check, or an external card payment. Choose Charge New Payment if you process the customer's card or bank payment directly through QuickBooks. Select the receipt date next. Use the actual date of the transaction to keep your timeline accurate. Pick the payment method that matches how you were paid, like cash, check, or card. Then set Deposit To. If you're batching multiple payments together, choose Undeposited Funds. If this is a one-off and you want it to post straight to the bank account, select that bank account here. Enter the service date to reflect when the work was performed or when the product was delivered. Next, select the product or service from your items list. This ensures the correct income account and standard rate are applied. Add a clear description so your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. Details reduce questions later. Type in the amount. If your item is set up with quantity and rate, confirm those values so the total is correct. If you track sales tax, QuickBooks will apply it based on your settings and the customer's location. Just review the total before finishing. When everything looks good, click Record and Close. That's it. The receipt is saved, payment is recorded, and your books stay up to date.